We already are recording this.
Why are you about to cry? Nikki's about to cry today for all you faithful watchers that have followed Nikki and me throughout the year.
No judgment. Look
And
with
she
curiosity. Huh? Look with curiosity, perhaps.
Weird today. I don't know how her weekend went.
My weekend was mighty fine.
Whichever one. I love it.
Here's
Oh my.
But we really didn't discuss like what I was.
Rooney.
This weekend I took the SAT on Saturday, and it was really
Right here, it's
fun.
underneath this desk.
This is me.
The two highest IQs ever recorded belong to women.
I would like you to name 5 successful, smart women.
I would, but I only have 10 seconds
Hillary
left
Clinton.
in my Hillary.
Hillary Clinton.
Yeah, I said in my
Condoleezza
Hillary
Rice.
It's like George Bush.
Madonna.
She was a singer.
Madonna.
Mensa member. Look it up. MENSA.
No.